What is up, Wanderers? Hello, we are ready for another bag review. And in this case, we're doing 2 for 1 because I'm going to tell you the differences between the Incase Icon and the Incase Icon Lite. We'll get started right after this. All right, regular viewers of this channel will understand that I am a fan of tech-focused bag companies, and Incase is one that's been around for quite a long time, and I am a fan of what they do. Today, I want to answer the question, what is the difference between the Incase Icon, which is their iconic bag, and the Icon Lite? So you can tell kind of from the website, but I wanted to give you a full walkthrough so that you know which bag is right for you. All right. So this is my Incase Icon. It's a little bit older. You can see that it's been well loved and well used. This is the gray colorway, which is not even available anymore. You can find different colors on secondhand market. There's a really nice khaki color. It's a little bit darker brown. Usually though, you'll find this in black or blue or black woolen necks material. The Icon is traditionally made with this nylon outer material. It is held up really well. It doesn't hold its complete tight shape perfectly, but yeah, this bag is well used and still in pretty good shape. Still usable for sure. Okay, so what's the deal with the Icon bag in the first place? I'll tell you what it's all about. It's all about storage. It's all about maxed out pockets. You're gonna love it if you haven't seen it before. So let's get started with a walkthrough of the Icon itself. Inside this front pocket, you can see there's a large drop pocket and then 2 smaller organized pouches right here. That's it in this front section, but that's not it, even close to it at all for the bag. So you have just below the grab handle, a felt-lined sunglasses pocket, and then you have our first clamshell compartment. Boom. Whoa. All right, you've got a topographically lined liner in here, a topo material. This is a kind of a flappy pocket that you can put small tech knickknacks in. Then you've got 2 O-rings up here. You have credit card holders, you have a stretchy pocket, another stretchy pocket, 2 large drop pockets right here, and then you have room down in the bottom of this main compartment. And that's just on the front panel. On the back panel, you have another stretchy pocket, another stretchy pocket, another stretchy pocket, another stretchy pocket, and then down at the bottom, a mesh drop pocket. Come on. That's over the top. Just in this first section, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pockets just in the first clamshell section. Bonkers. Okay. What about the second clamshell section? Well, thanks for asking. You've got a felt-lined laptop pocket that will hold up to a 17-inch laptop. And then on the back side, you have more pockets. 1 pocket, 2 pocket, 3 pockets, and a drop section in the middle. As if that weren't enough, you have a hidden back pocket that stretches across the whole length of the backpack. And down at the bottom, you have a felt-lined pocket here. And on this side, another felt-lined pocket. Useful for cords, useful for AirPods, useful for all kinds of things. And then the whole thing is super cushioned, okay? So, what are you looking at with this pocket? Oh, I forgot to even say. You got another hidden pocket. It's bonkers. All kinds of attachment points, and the most organization that you can get in a backpack that's not going to make you look like you are trying to join the army. Bonkers. What about the Icon Light? Well, you're getting a slimmer bag. Okay? You're losing the middle section, basically. This middle section in this bag doesn't exist. You've got the front organizer, and then you've got the laptop compartment, and that's it. So, you do get same quality construction. You have a drop panel up front with no organization in it. It's just a pocket. Sometimes just a pocket is fine. This is the light version, remember? Then you have up top the felt-lined pocket for sunglasses. That remains. You have a really nice grab handle. And then inside the pocket here, this is not a secondary pocket. This is the felt-lined pocket hanging down inside the middle of the bag. Then you have two pockets there. And you have your laptop sleeve. You do not have pockets on the outside. You do not have pockets on the back. What you do have is a very minimalist bag that has some of the shape of the Icon, but that's about it. So how many pockets do you have? 1, 2, 3 if you count the laptop, 4, 5, and then the main drop section, 6 compartments. What do you have in the original Icon? In the front you have 3. 4 for the sunglasses. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 pockets, less than 10 pockets. So, this is a really interesting situation. The Icon as a brand is all about max organization. The Icon Light Pack doesn't really have the same DNA. It has some of the shape, but honestly, even the City Pack Light has more organization. Even the Dot Backpack that they came out with has more organization. So, what have I learned? What do I think? Don't get this bag. Don't get the Icon Light. Either get the Icon and go all out, get the full organization, or again, get one of my favorites from Incase, the City Light Bag. So, that is all that you need to know. But wait, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. This is for you loyal viewers who stuck around to the very end, okay? This is a bonus for you. I have a really nice treat to share with you. This is the City Duffel. So this is marketed as a duffel bag, but it's really small for a duffel bag. What is it not really small for? A tech-focused messenger bag. What? That's right. You can repurpose this duffel. There are 2 pockets on the front, a felt-lined pocket, and then inside this you've got another pocket, pockets on both the sides that are mesh and stretchy, and then inside you have not just a laptop sleeve that's felt-lined, but a tablet sleeve too. That's something that you don't get in the Icon or the Icon Light. A tablet and a laptop sleeve. You get just a laptop sleeve. And then on the back of this bag, you've got a drop pocket right there. And another pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pockets. And you can carry it as a briefcase or attach the strap, carry it as a messenger or sling. Again, they call this a duffel bag. I don't know. I think it's more of a tech carry. I'm going to try it out and I'll let you know how it goes. All right, everybody. So that's been our walkthrough of the Incase Icon. Icon Light, and the bonus City Duffel. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like and subscribe if you're new here. We're always giving you bag walkthroughs, and if there's a bag that you'd like to see, drop it in the comments. Let me know. Thanks, you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.